In this video, I will show you steps you can use to improve your video audio quality. One of the ways to create a quality video is to have a clear audio or sound. And it is our goal as a content creator to create a high quality content that ensures our viewer have a great experience and they return to watch our videos. It is very important for me to put myself into the shoes of the viewers when creating my content. For me, good audio is an essential element in making content. I want to hear clearly on what the person is saying, where every word is understandable. And we know the struggle of acquiring good microphone, especially if you are just starting out as a solo content creator. And in many cases, we stick to budget microphone. But the problem arises when this microphone add a lot of noise to our voices, making it sound as if multiple people are recording at the same time. So I spent a lot of time trying to figure out a way I could do to make sure the audio came out clearly and even with a cheap microphone. So to improve your audio quality in a video, we'll be using two AI tools in a very simple step. So to improve your audio quality in a video to get more views, type in the Adobe podcast. Once you type it and click enter, you now click on enhance speech to take you to the website. Look at what they say: clean up audio for free with Adobe Podcast AI. There is two ways you can do this. The first way is to upload your audio file. The second way is to upload the video. But before you can upload the video, you need to upgrade. But if you are using the free version, we can't upload the video file. And because we can't upload video directly because we are using the free version, so for that, I'm going to use CapCut to extract the audio, then I'll upload it here and improve the quality, the audio quality. Come with me because I will still show you how to merge the video and the enhanced audio together for a quality video. So first of all, let's go to the CapCut. Let me open my CapCut right here. So now I'm in my CapCut, the CapCut PC. I'll just click on new project. So I'll click on import to import the video that I want to improve the audio. So I'll just choose any of these video here. Then I'll click on open. So now I'll just drag and drop to the timeline. So yeah, you're not editing anything. What you need to do now is to click on export. I'll just uncheck the video because I only want to export only the audio. Then I'll click on the export to export the audio file. Now our audio file has been exported. So the next step is for us to go back to the Adobe podcast. So for here, as you can see here, you can upload a 30 minutes maximum duration of audio, 500 MB maximum size. So for us to improve the audio of the video that we exported the audio file, we click here, we click on choose file. This is the audio that we exported from CapCut, so we click on it. So let's wait for it to enhance the speech. So now our audio is ready. This is enhanced audio. If you want to get it done in real estate business, you have to think like a landlord, not a tenant. Property is more than where you live. So you can see how the audio is very clean. Less listening when the audio is just like that, no improvement. Stability. What I always tell people is to start investing in real estate, no matter how small the amount is to start investing in real estate, no matter how small. So this is the perfect way to improve your audio quality in a video, and it will help you to get many views that will even lead to many subscribers. Because one of the things so now we are going to show you how you can merge this your improved audio with the video. So that to download this audio, we click on download. So it has been downloaded. So we'll go back to CapCut. Now we click on import. Then this is our enhanced audio. We click on it and click open. Here we drop the audio at the timeline. Make sure that the audio is in the same length with the video itself. Now reduce the original video audio to 0. Then highlight the audio and the video. So what you do now is you right click, you click on create a compound clip. The video and the audio has been merged. So now let's listen to our video audio quality. Done in real estate business, you have to think like a landlord, not a tenant. Property is more than where you live. It's about where you invest. See your investment from the perspective of a landlord, not a tenant. Build a portfolio that generates wealth and stability. What I always tell people is to start invest. So now that you have known how to achieve quality audio, don't leave this video without leaving a comment or subscribing to my channel and support me. This channel, I do everything concerning AI tools, how to grow on YouTube and all of that. Thank you and see you in next video.